Good morning. Thank you for checking in with JB Solutions. Just wanted to give everyone a quick review of a simple installation that features our HVAC IV drain treatment system with a gas furnace with air conditioning, and as a bonus we are treating the reservoir in an Aprilaire 400 humidifier. As you can see, the IV is set up here right now. The tank is regenerating. We just refilled the vessel and put the tabs in to activate the chlorine dioxide. On the bottom here we have a feed tube that runs across the back of the furnace and ties into our stainless steel injection tip. That injection tip is putting the biocide into the reservoir of the Aprilaire 400, where the water sits and tends to grow biofilm, creating an unhealthy condition for the occupants, especially people who are susceptible to molds and other airborne pathogens. And on the other side, the other drain treatment tube here comes around the corner, and we have that tying into the upper drain portion of the air conditioning coil. During the cooling season, the biocide is injected into that portion, which washes down through the pan and then into our pump system, as you see below, and up into the vinyl tube taking care of the drain. So once again, thanks again for checking with JB Solutions. Any inquiries or questions, check out our website, www.j-b.solutions. Have a great day.